Concerns this evening about the impact Pricesmart's Portmore Club is having on the smaller establishments along Brayton Parkway in St. Catherine. It comes after scores of people converged on the facility on Tuesday, leaving smaller supermarkets empty. Kalisha Williams has our story.
An international retailer versus local supermarkets. The Portmore story. Scenes inside Pricesmart's Portmore Club on Tuesday.
We don't have to really go downtown anymore.
So what impact is the opening of Pricesmart on Brayton Parkway having on other supermarkets in the area? Well, based on what I'm seeing, the contrast is glaring.
It's empty. Basically empty today.
Think about it.
I just running them out of business, And then you have to pay $6,000 to go shop at Pricesmart. Then you can come to the American store free.
We were told the Easter holiday period usually means dozens of people flocking supermarkets and wholesalers.
Normally, there's a whole lot of people here, And I think they sell fairly reasonable too, so I don't know.
But why are so many people going to Pricesmart? According to the customers, it's the convenience of buying in bulk and the excitement of being in a new store. This man traveled all the way from Clarendon.
Guinness, no one has Guinness. So I think they probably ordered this and was sitting on it till now. So Guinness and Magnum, there's none around. So I got here around 9 and they actually open at 8, so I'm late. So I didn't get any Magnum.
Yeah. Oh, so when you came here, the Magnum was finished?
Finished already.
We tried to get comments from the smaller supermarket operators, but we were unsuccessful. So the true impact of Pricesmart's operations on their business is still not clear. However, residents told us those supermarkets will still have their place in Portmore.
You can have it both ways because I won't be stopping from going to the regular supermarket. I'll still go because that's convenient for me also, one item, whatever.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.